Good morning. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Okay, my wife had a check engine light on, hooked up my scanner, and I think it's coming up as a P017442. I mean, listen, I'll throw the scanner on, but basically, it's for your mass airflow sensor. It's right here. You could buy the whole tube, or you could just buy the sensor. We elected to buy just the sensor for financial reasons. I mean, they wanted like an extra 50-60 bucks for the whole tube. So, we're not going to do that. Now, of course, because it's electrical, I like going OEM, especially when you're doing it yourself. Okay, we're going to need a flat blade screwdriver. We're going to have to turn this tube around. So we're just going to undo this right here. This clamp here. Okay, we're going to pop that off. And because this is right here, we're going to try and see if I could just kind of rotate this box. And you know what? I'll just pop this clip off. Let's see. I'm going to pop off the intake clips. Like so. Okay. These two clips right here come off. And hopefully we should have enough to just wiggle the top out. Okay, great. This is our mass airflow sensor. Now, these have a tamper proof. Okay, they're a special kind, so they're a Torx with a hole in the middle. That's what's called tamper proof. Why do they have it on a mass airflow sensor is beyond me. It is not necessary at all. So just going to undo that, lefty loosey, righty tighty. Be careful not to drop these. Now, this is early in the morning and my garage is full of stuff. The only thing I'm not going to show you is that whenever I do an electrical connection, there's electrical grease. I always like to do that to every electrical connection I do, especially something or anything that's exposed to the elements. Underneath the hood, you're going to get condensation, water, build up, the whole nine. So we're going to do that. So we'll take out the sensor. This is our sensor right here. We're going to go get our OEM Nissan part. Alright, so this is our part number from Nissan. I will put a link in the description to purchase this. They have a couple of different models. One is a lifetime guarantee, one is a 15-year guarantee. We went with the 15-year. So just like this, the way we took it off is the way we put it back on. So flip it this way, stick it back in. Nothing special. Okay. This was so reasonably cheap. Like they make a special spray to clean mass airflow sensors. Okay. My wife has had this car since new. This is a 2006. So obviously this car owes us nothing, right? So, to try and clean it, it's not worth it. And I would suggest you do the same. Especially something as clear, cut and dry as this. I'm just going to tighten this down. Like so. that's it. We're going to plug this back in. That. Slide in our tube. Remember, rotate the clamp so you have easy access to it. That's also another thing you want to do, so it's easy. Get a screwdriver. Obviously, if your air filter is dirty, do it. I mean, we change my wife's air filter every year, so we don't have to worry about that. Okay. Oh, we got to snap the clips on. That's one. Two. Okay, good. Alright, now we got to clear the light. Snap-on solar scanner. Take you guys into the car. You're going to plug this into the OBD tube plug. It's right underneath the door. Snapper just happens to be mine. Turn the key on. Right? Every scan tool is different. Okay? It says I need a software update. Just going to say okay. Remember, I just have this for my own cars, previous vehicles, because they're in here. Vehicle history. 2006 Nissan Altima. Continue. We'll show you the codes. It's pretty cool about a snap-on scanner. So I'm going to do codes only. I'm going to show you something. So it should be a rich code. Alright, she's also complaining that her gas mileage is down. So P0172. Hold on. Alright, so P0172, fuel system too rich, bank 1. So that explains why she's burning through gas. Okay, but check this out. Do we have... So look at this. Troubleshooter, right? Snap-on has. Engine. Okay, code tips, right? Check this out. P0, TTC. P01. We got to go down to the code, actually. And check this out. Oh no, I did the wrong one. Alright, so here we are, P0172. And it actually gives you the code tips. So let's say it could be a banky air fuel sensor, faulty MAFs or fuel injectors. Okay, so I already shut down the injectors on this. Okay. And I checked the parameters for the sensors. So I know we're good to go. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to back out of all this. We're going to clear the codes. Here you go, clear codes. It says it has the key on, key off. So here at the dash. Okay, it said it cleared the codes. And check this out. Alright, we're going to clear the code, which is good to go now. So we're going to wait. And she reports back in a couple of drive cycles, but the code will be right here. It's going to say service engine soon. Get this setup going. Alright guys, that's it. If you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later. And don't forget, I just saved you guys a buttload of money, do yourself a favor. Do not get a cheap sensor from online. Please, I cannot stress OEM, OEM, OEM. And save your receipts.